Genuine OEM part. Country of origin, China. Package dimensions, 10.16 L x 0.762 H x 7.62 W centimeters. Package weight, 0.022 pounds. Genuine Honda 91205P0X005 automatic transmission drive axle oil seal. This is the official genuine Honda parts replacement part for your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Fit perfectly on my 2012 Pilot. It's an OEM Part 1 used when changing out the CV shaft on my Honda Pilot with the 5-speed auto transmission. It comes pre-greased and fits perfectly. It costs a little more than the aftermarket parts out there, but you know you are getting a quality part.